everybody, welcome back to Incubation Technology. I'm Lakshmi, a tutor who's been associated with the institution in mentoring the students. Let us start with this today's video where I'll be giving you the step-in process in how to publish a journal conference or a research paper. In order to carry out your own research paper, they needs a proper back-end preparation for it, right? The very first step is the back-end preparation which you need to work on. You need to have the content, the area of your interest, a strong knowledge in the topic you have decided. Then you have to proceed with the further publication. One of the initial goals of carrying out a research paper is identifying your research paper which is being identified with a good publication. Okay, if not, your research will go in vain. That should be your one of the final goals. In order to do that, you need to have a strong amount of knowledge on the area you have selected. That is one of the key element for the success, right? The very first thing is choosing the area of interest. Okay, this is one of the crucial step where you need to even satisfy your wish and also the market demand. Choosing area of interest is one of the crucial step where you need to even consider the on demand of the area you have chosen. For example, uh, machine learning is my area of interest. Okay, I have to select such a topic in machine learning where it satisfied my will and also the market demand. Okay, and also you need to have a strong hold knowledge on the area you have chosen, and also you need to update yourself with the latest technologies, right? This is the very first step in the publication process, choosing your area of interest. The very next step is calculating the demand for the topic you've selected in the market. What is the meaning of this? Right, if you consider a cornered topic which is being put aside for many years, selecting such a topic and carrying out a research on it is out of stupidity. That won't make a sense, right? You need to select such a topic which will satisfy the ongoing demand. In the example we took, if I considered machine learning and artificial intelligence is banking the tech world at present. Yeah, it satisfies the demand in the market, right? Such a thing should be your area of interest. Okay, corner topic is equals to no research value. It is directly proportional. That is the meaning of considering the demand in the ongoing market. This should be your second concept. The very third thing is that you need to gain the knowledge on the area of selected by considering the research works or the research paper which has been bought by your peers or by other professors or researchers. Gaining knowledge doesn't only means you have to have the theoretical knowledge or the hands-on part. You need to simultaneously gain the knowledge from the research works brought on the same topic by other people. Okay, but by doing this you will have a clear picture on how the structure of a paper should be, what and all the topics should be included, what are the topics which needs an exclusion here, and what topic should be highlighted. For having these certain knowledge, it is not possible with the theoretical concept. It is only possible when you consider the research works. That is what is clearly mentioned. You will have a knowledge on the importance of the topic. Yes. You will have a knowledge on the existing methods used. Yeah. By knowing the existing methods, you can have a clear picture on what methods, what new concepts can be listed in your research paper, and also by doing this, it will motivate you to research on the unnoticed algorithms and bring in a unique idea. If you have a unique idea, then only you can stand in the crowd and get notified with a good publication. Okay, for having all these kind of knowledge, you need to go through the research works or the papers which has been already in the market. That is what should be your third concept. The very next thing is you need to collect minimum of 20 papers on the topic you have selected. This is one of the mandatory step in the publication process. Suppose, for example, I have chosen the emotion recognition. Okay, in the text, recognizing what kind of emotion is there in the particular text. Suppose that is my topic. That is my topic I've chosen for the research. In the market on the same topic, we have several amount of paper already published. Okay, you need to go through certain kind of similar kind of research paper, collect some 20 to 25 papers, and you have to go through all the 20 papers what you have collected. Okay, then you will be having clear picture, a very clear picture on what should be included, excluded, and what and all the new methods you have to bring in. Okay, this is one of the mandatory step. And the final step is finalizing your base paper. What do you mean by a base paper? Base paper is such a paper, something which is considered as a referring paper to which you are referring to. Okay, that you can like you are bringing your own research paper, right? You will be referring to the base paper as a continuation part or a contradiction or an excluded version, or you can do whatever with it. You can have a contradictory, or you can extend the same process, or you can you can pick some concepts and elaborate in your research paper. Anything you can do, but before that you need to finalize your base paper. This is one of the mandatory and also important step. By doing this, you are ready for starting your own research paper. Okay, these 1 to 5 steps are very important. That is, one is area of interest, after which considering the demand. Third is seeing other research works. Fourth, collecting some 20 to 25 papers. And five, finalizing the base paper. After doing which, your actual content begins. Okay, then you have to work on the actual or the real content of your paper. The real show begins now, and you need to have a strong knowledge on the area you're choosing with, right? This is about the today's video, where I have told you the very first process in bringing out your research or a conference paper. The series will be continued, where in the next video I'll tell you about the plagiarism. What is a plagiarism, how to check it, and what amount of plagiarized paper will be accepted by the publication, and so on and so forth, related to a plagiarism topic. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.